Today we're going to repair the Samsung Galaxy A50 screen display. Let's get started. If your phone's screen is bleeding purple, this indicates it's been severely damaged. The screen has cracked internally, and the LCD fluid is seeping freely. Unfortunately, there's not much that you can do about it. The only solution is to replace the display. Heat up the back cover to soften the adhesive. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Remove all the screws attached on the middle frame. Remove the SIM card tray. Remove the middle frame cover. Remove the flex cables attached on the sub-board. Remove the broken screen display. Clean the LCD frame contacts thoroughly. Prepare the new replacement screen. Place the adhesive on the frame contacts. Attach the new replacement screen in place. Plug in the flex cables. Attach the middle frame cover in place. Attach all the screws in place. Place the adhesive on the back cover frame contacts. Attach the back cover in place. Screen replacement done.
Thank you for watching.
I'm Miss Jackson.